I believe I have the Panasonic FV-LP003 exhaust fan/lamp combo. The fan works but the lamp no longer works. I would like to replace the lamp and not the fan since the fan works and the drywall/ceiling would be destroyed if the fan was replaced. Can you help me find a lamp replacement, please?
Have you replaced the light fixture or switch before? If so, how long ago?
The light fixture/lamp has never been replaced. The wall switch was replaced about 1 year ago.
How long has this been going on with your Panasonic lighting? What have you tried so far?
The bulbs periodically burn out and today the lighting fixture finally died. The house and exhaust fan/light combo is 15 years old.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Other than it is a pain in the ass to find the bulbs for this fixture that no longer works, no.
Hi. My name is I will be assisting you today. I know that you'd like to just replace just the lamp portion of this fan/light, but it is an entire assembly, so that's not possible. Give me a moment to check on that model to see if there is a replacement light assembly or a new replacement Panasonic fan/light that has the same dimensions, so the sheetrock damage/repairs is not an issue. I've found the replacement for the light assembly, which includes a new ballast. This component could have been what was causing the frequent failure of the bulbs in your light. https://www.genuinereplacementparts.com/FFE3420078SOEM. I've found another option for you. There are LED replacement bulbs available for fluorescent lights that eliminate the need for the ballast. This greatly improves the quality of light as well as reliability. I've attached a link for a replacement that is listed as being compatible. You'll have to contact their customer support team to get the details. https://www.innerlightus.com/lightbulbwx4u11 GCLID equals Jokai Aots BRBDAU Uva 6A Jesus 2Z Na 9 LCLTX 8 Wugni up 3 VFJZ ADX Oz Boo 20 BLXQ Ta 7 Bo Kojkovd _Bue. I hope that I've been able to help you with this issue. Please feel free to come back with any future questions. You can start your inquiry with For Wire Guy Franklin. If I'm on the site, I'll be happy to assist you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.